Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to earn money by watching short videos on your mobile phone. Let's get started. Okay, go to the Google Play Store, click on it, let it load. Now, search paid work. This is the app. I already have it, but if you don't have it, you'll have to install it. Download it first before installing it. You can see that the app has over 24,000 reviews and at a rating of 4.2. Okay, let me just open there because I already have it. Let's open it. See, there are different options of earning here. You can earn through games. You can fill out surveys. You can watch videos. You can do this online shopping, and you can complete micro tasks. Let me just show you some of the tasks here. I think you can see the tasks here. Okay, at the option of earning. But today I want us to focus on earning through watching the videos. Click on this button here and see. Let me just show you. You'll be asked to verify if you are human. Just click on this checkbox. Verify. Okay, see. Now you must make sure that you watch the full ad so that you can earn those points. Okay, thank you guys.